Happy 5th of December and a very Merry Christmas. Now we're getting a little closer to Christmas. Today, this channel that I'm gonna focus on, well, I'm not gonna put up more Christmas decorations as we're done with that. So let's jump right into the channel I'm gonna focus on, which is Mimsicle? Is that right? Mimsicle? Sorry if I'm mispronouncing it. To sum this channel up, it's magic and adventures and LARP in this neat little package with a nice little tie or bow on top of the goofiness and awkwardness, if you will. It sounds, I'm not entirely sure I'm selling it really good here, because this channel is really sweet. Mimsicle is a delight to watch. Her passion shines so much through. Like she's going to blow up like pink in a pink cloud of candy floss or something. She just, it's like so many things that wants to come out. It's just kind of sweet, if you will. I really like her in-character videos. Right now they're mainly from College of Wizardry character, which is Olivia Cortizad Fraser, also called Ollie. So I'm just gonna call her Ollie. Ollie. Some of the newer videos are from other LARPs, so there's probably gonna be characters from other LARPs and videos from other LARPs and just this one LARP. And the one LARP that's focused on right now is a game called Avalon, which, as far as I understand, is a game that's where you play a druid in a druid school, so it's keeping into the magical school theme, so to speak. Like I said, her videos are a delight to watch. They are sweet, and you can see, like in the first video, that it's not the channel is not super old, and if you go back and see some of the earliest videos, there's a lot. Like you can see that she was kind of nervous, but if you go and watch some of the new ones, you can see that she's become more comfortable with the camera. Yeah, so if this piques your interest just a little bit, go check her channel out. I'm gonna put all the links to her other social medias down in the doodly-doo, which is YouTube speak for the description. Or comment section, if you will, but in this case it's the description. If you're not interested in the YouTube channel that she has, I would suggest you go check out her Instagram profile. There's also a lot of cool pictures, especially from her different characters, and it kind of keeps in the theme of a magical school, if you will, being a witch or a druid or that sort of thing. So go check that out, if not here on YouTube, but definitely do go check out her YouTube channel. Yeah, I'm gonna see you LARPers again tomorrow. Bye. You can subscribe to Mimsicle's channel here on the side. Why do I never remember what side the subscriber button is on? And on the other side, you can see one of her videos.